Welcome to Nexvora AI, where tomorrow's technology becomes today's knowledge. What if your smartphones disappeared forever? It may sound impossible today, but some of the world's biggest tech companies are already building AI devices that could replace smartphones in the future. From AI glasses to wearable assistant, the next generation of technology is already here. In this video, let's explore the AI devices that could completely change the way we communicate, work, and live. Imagine walking through a foreign country while your glasses instantly translate every conversation. You receive directions, answer messages, and even identify objects without ever touching your phone. This is not science fiction anymore. Companies are investing heavily in smart glasses powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of carrying a phone, imagine wearing a small AI device that listens only when you need it. It can answer questions, manage your schedule, and help you throughout the day using only your voice. Now imagine coming home after a long day at work. Instead of doing household chores, your personal robots clean your home, prepare simple meals, and even reminds you about important tasks. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars to build intelligent humanoid robots in the future. This robot could become a normal part of everyday life, just like smartphones are today. Artificial intelligence is also transforming healthcare. AI can already help doctors analyze medical images, detect diseases earlier, and support faster medical decisions. While AI will not replace doctor, it can become one of the most powerful tools to improve patient care and save lives. The future is not coming someday. It's already beginning. These technologies are developing faster than ever before, and over the next few years, they could completely change the way we work, travel, communicate, and live. The biggest question is not whether these technologies will arrive, but how quickly we will adapt to them. Which future technology excited you the most? AI glasses, humanoid robots, or self-driving cars? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Nexvora AI for more future technology and AI contents. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.